Welcome to Zimbabwe. Welcome to the new roads being constructed here in Zimbabwe. Welcome to Harare, the capital city of Zimbabwe. These are nice, beautiful roads that we see. In my background is the new Parliament of Zimbabwe, and it's all beautiful. All beautiful things are happening in Zimbabwe, and Zimbabwe takes its position on the African continent. It's one of the most beautiful cities and country on the African continent, and let's continue to work hard to build this country, right? It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful and it's taking shape. It's a matter of time. Things will be well again in Zimbabwe. From Harare, from Zimbabwe, my name is Taku Mutefa. Thank you for listening to our content. Bye. Zimbabwe. Welcome to our new parliament. It looks beautiful. It's nice. We cherish whatever happens there, and it's looking nice. Zimbabwe is on the rise, and it's beautiful. It takes its position on the African continent. It's one of the giants on the African continent, and we're proud of that. From the new parliament, from Zimbabwe. Goodbye.